Today we're talking about keeping the house clean when you have pets. Hey everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today I am doing a collab that was started by my friend Valerie from The Life of Valerie Allison. And it's kind of funny when she sent me a message saying that she's gonna do this video and asking if I wanted to join. I kind of laughed because I was like, I can't do a video on that. I'm struggling with that right now. And then I realized, well, since I'm living the struggle, maybe I should share the things that are working for me. Maybe this is the perfect video for me to do right now. So this is not me saying, oh, my house is always clean and I have pets. My idea here is sharing with you the things that help me stay sane because I have pets, and they are 2 dogs. And they love running in and out of the house all the time. And we just have kind of struggled with this because they bring in dirt all the time. And we just refloored our house. Welcome to my channel, by the way. I feel like I kind of just jumped right in, but welcome. Hi if you're new. This is just how it goes here. So we tore out all of our carpet. We laid down a new floor, but we haven't replaced things. We threw out our couches because they were old and, you know, ruined. So we haven't replaced our couches or gotten rugs yet. So basically it's just big open tile, well, not tile floor, it's like faux wood floor. And so some of the things that are helping me to maintain some semblance of cleanliness in my home is to have a towel at the back door. And I just have the dogs walk back and forth over it a couple times when they come in, or just help them wipe their paws a little bit. That helps. Also having a broom by the back door helps, because the back door is really my problem area when it comes to messes from pets and children. So having a towel at the back door really helps. Having a broom accessible where I can just sweep up real quick. And I think having the idea in my mind that when I pick up that broom, I don't have to clean the entire floor. I don't have to make my house spotless at that moment. I am picking up this broom so I can kind of contain the dirt that they brought in so it doesn't get spread out all over the house. That helps, just to keep the dirt out of the way. Another thing that is a big issue with dogs is pet hair shedding everywhere. So this is actually something that my mother-in-law loves to do with my dogs, is to groom them for me. But one thing that I found that I purchased on Amazon, which I will link in the description box, is called a Furminator, which is the coolest name ever. But it has been the only thing that has really helped get the dog hair off of the dog. And it kind of just takes out the hair that's already loose, or like the undercoat, I guess they call it, or something. It just kind of like, it's like a rake basically, and it just gets it off the dog. And I think they have different sizes of it. I got the short hair one. And then my other dog doesn't have hair issues, or his hair is just so fine it doesn't really matter. But my smaller dog has hair that I have to, you know, we have to take care of it. So the Furminator has been amazing, and you just kind of rake your dog basically, and then it has a button that you press to release the hair, and it's amazing. So I will sing that little tool's praises. I found out about it from a friend of mine who had a dog, and she had like posted on Facebook randomly, like, oh my gosh, this is crazy, this works. And it's not like she was promoting it. My link will be an affiliate link, but that's just the way it is here on YouTube. But she had just shared about it just from one friend to another. So that's how I found out about it, and I think it's awesome. All right, my next thing, I would say, I don't know if this is really helpful or not, but when your dogs are puppies, I had a lot of issue with wooden toys of kids and books. So if you can somehow corral those things, if you're like about to get a puppy and you know, you're like, what should I do in preparation of having a puppy, put away the books because they will chew on all the edges, and wooden toys, like wooden blocks, tend to get everywhere, the little tiny pieces everywhere. It's even worse than plastic toys. So those are the ones that I would say for the most part you want to keep away from little dogs or naughty dogs. And I think those are most of mine. Trying to think if there's anything else. If you have like a smell, like a pet smell, baking soda helps a lot. You can sprinkle some baking soda on your carpet and then vacuum it up. That helps for a pet smell. I have an awesome carpet cleaner that's really helpful to have a carpet cleaner if you have puppies, like, because my dogs were puppies when I got them, and so I used to need to use the carpet cleaner when they were potty training and that sort of thing, and that helped just have it around just to be able to, you know, quick clean here and there if they were having issues. That was really helpful. I'll link mine in the description if you're interested in that. And I think that's about it. I think that's all my tips. I would love to hear from you because, like I said, I'm in the struggle. I think once we fix some issues in our backyard and we get rugs, I think it'll be better. But for now, I see every little speck on the floor that comes in, so it's fun over here. So anyways, if you're in the struggle, I'm there with you, and I would love to know your tips. Hopefully something that I said helped you, and like this video if anything was helpful or you just enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't yet if you want to see more content from me. I try to post things that are helpful, somewhat related to homeschooling, minimalism, cleaning, living the mom life, and just trying to encourage you in the everyday. So thank you to Valerie for inviting me to this collab, and also Jamie for participating. I will link their videos in the description box. Please check them out and tell them I said hello, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!